Welcome to this lesson on British versus American English grammar. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between how British and American speakers use grammar in everyday conversation. Understanding these differences will help you sound natural whether you're speaking with British or American English speakers. This lesson focuses specifically on grammar patterns, not accents or vocabulary lists. We will examine everyday spoken grammar used in both varieties of English. On the left, we have British English, where we'll look at structures like have got and common preposition choices used in the UK. On the right, we have American English, where speakers prefer have instead of have got and use different prepositions. Our goal is to help you notice these patterns so you can sound natural in both varieties. Today's main focus is the difference between have got and have. In British English, speakers prefer to use have got in everyday speech. It sounds much more natural to them. In American English, speakers prefer the simple form have. This is one of the most noticeable grammar differences between British and American English. Let's look at specific examples. In British English, people say, I have got a car, I've got two brothers, she has got blue eyes, and they've got a big house. These sound very natural to British speakers. In American English, people say, I have a car, I have two brothers, she has blue eyes, and they have a big house. Notice that Americans do not use have got. For them, saying have got sounds formal and unusual. Now let's look at negative sentences. In British English, the negative form is haven't got. For example, I haven't got any money. This is much more common in UK speech. In American English, the negative form is don't have. For example, I don't have any money. This is the natural US English pattern. The structures are different, but both express the same meaning. When asking questions, British speakers ask, have you got a pen? This is the standard UK question form. American speakers ask, do you have a pen? This is the natural US question pattern. Again, both are asking the same thing, but the grammar structure is different. British English uses have you got, while American English uses do you have. Beyond have got versus have, there are also preposition differences. British speakers say at the weekend, while American speakers say on the weekend. Both mean the same thing and refer to Saturday and Sunday. The British use the preposition at, while Americans use the preposition on. This is another common difference between the two varieties. Let's summarize the three main differences we've covered. First, in present tense, British English uses have got while American English uses have. Second, in negative sentences, British English uses haven't got while American English uses don't have. Third, in prepositions, British English uses at the weekend while American English uses on the weekend. Remember, both varieties are correct. The goal is to know the difference so you can sound natural depending on who you're speaking with.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.